Isagutin natin ito. Find the area enclosed by the curve x squared plus 8y plus 16 equals 0. Then y-axis and the line x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay? Tapos, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Ito muna, x is equal to 4. Tapos ito, i-transpose natin, negative 8y minus 16. Pwede siyang maging parabola. Ang vertex niya is 0, negative 2. So, negative yung latus rectum niya. So, pa-downward. Ito, vertical lang. Graph natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ito po ganito. Para mag-intersect siya. So, alamin natin anong plot nito. Ito, 4, 0. Ito, 0, 0. Alamin natin kung anong plot yan. Substitute natin itong x squared plus 8y plus 16 dito para mahanap natin yung y value. So, magiging 4 squared plus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. 16 plus 16 is equal to plus 8y is equal to 0. Okay. 8y is equal to negative 32. Divide both sides by 8. Y is equal to negative 4. So, 4, negative 4, ito. Pwede siyang i-dx yan. Gamitin ang dx trick. Gawin natin para makuha natin maging in terms of with respect to x yung mangyaring equation. Gawin natin in terms of x yung equation natin. So, magiging x squared plus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay? Gawin lang natin, i-transpose natin yung dalawa. Negative x squared minus 16. Tapos, divide both sides by 8. So, y is equal to negative x squared minus 16 over 8. Okay? Next is, gamitin natin yung area from, dahil d-strip yan, d-strip siya from 0 to 4. Okay? 0 to 4. Okay? Yung y-high natin is 0 base sa graph. 0 minus. Ito yung lower. Square minus 16 all over 8. dx. So, input natin sa calculator. Integral 0 minus negative x squared minus 16 over 8 from 0 to 4. 32 over 3 or 10.67 square units.